You just spent thousands of dollars on ad and just got few phone calls. Some of them were wrong number. That's not bad luck. That's a broken system. Here's what nobody tells you about digital ads. The problem is not your budget, it's not the platform, it's where you are sending people. A confused customer never buys. You pay for a click, they land on your site, and then nothing. 12 services, 5 pop-ups, no clean next step. The best ads in the world cannot fix a broken funnel. This is how we approach it at Adivantech Private Limited. Before we run ads, we fix what happens after the click. One goal, one message, and one action. When someone lands on your site, they know exactly what to do. If your ads are not working, don't spend more. We are doing free funnel audits for businesses serious about growth. Comment funnel and I will personally show you what's broken. No pitch, just clarity.